welcome back to this Flexbox tutorial. In this lesson we will be continuing on making the copy of the Facebook header, and we are going to work on the search section of the header. So let's get right into that. So for this section we will need the logo and the input, and then another button here with the magnifying glass icon. And for the icons, I'm going to be using SVGs, which are wonderful because they're very versatile, and you can recolor them and resize them, and they work well. So I will send a link to where we can download everything. I used a website called icomoon.io. I'll link to them in the description. That's a place you can download everything, and then it will contain a sprite, which is just a file of all of the SVGs, and you can see what I'm doing here and then do the same thing in your code using the sprite. So I'm gonna use Emmet here again, the Facebook icon class, and we're gonna use the use tag in order to put this logo in. It's a little different kind of formatting over here, but so my sprite is in the image folder, sprite SVG. And use the hashtag, and it's called icon Facebook. And let's see what happens here. So we're gonna save that, and look, voila! Look at that. Shows up right here. Now it's obviously not formatted how we want it, but first, I think before we format that, actually let's format that. In this video we'll do the logo, and the next video we'll do the search bar. So let's go to the CSS again, the SAS, and we're going to format the Facebook logo. So I already did, figured out what the sizes should be. So let's see what I figured out over here. The width, we want it to be 2.5 rem, and then the same thing should be with the height. They look nice when they're squares. And then the great thing about SVGs is you can change the color just based on the fill property. So for the fill, we're going to do FFF, nice white in here. So let's see what happens now. Let's see what I did wrong over here. FB icon, not FB logo. And look at that. It's right there. So we're almost there, and I just want to get it to the right place in terms of the margin. So let's add a margin of 18 rem, I think, on the left-hand side, or padding, excuse me. Padding left of 18 rem, just so we get it where we want it. That didn't work. You know what, we'll add this in the next video. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time.